IPL 2025 today's points table. 26th March 2025 match 6 Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders. Now let's take a quick look at IPL 2025 updates by all teams. Total runs: all teams made 2391 runs for the fall of 76 wickets. Runs per wicket is 31. Batting records: total fours 205, total sixes 133, 100, 14 50s and 7 duckouts. Batting records: highest score made by Ishan Kishan 106, best strike rate 250 by Nicholas Puran and best average 101 by Quinton de Kock. Bowling records: most wickets 4 wickets by Noor Ahmed, best economy 4.25 by Varun Chakravarti, best bowling 4 for 18 by Noor Ahmed. Today's match: Rajasthan Royals made 151 runs for the loss of 9 wickets in 20 overs. Kolkata Knight Riders made 153 and they won by 8 wickets. Now let us see points table. In the first place, Sunrisers Hyderabad with 2 points and a net run rate 2.200. Second place, Rajasthan Royal Challenger Bangalore 2.137 net run rate. Third place, Punjab Kings 0.550 net run rate. Fourth place, Chennai Super Kings 0.493 net run rate. Fifth place, Delhi Capitals 0.371 net run rate. Sixth place, Kolkata Knight Riders. First 5 teams have played 1 match each and Kolkata Knight Riders have played 2 matches. They got 2 points from 2 matches. 7th place, Lucknow Super Giants, no points. 8th place, Mumbai Indians, no points and net run rate is also negative. 9th place, Gujarat Titans, and in the 10th position, Rajasthan Royals. They have got no points from 2 matches.